What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, you already know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my crypto projects, guys, do yourself a favor. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. The link is in the description. Go check it out. See what I got going on. All right, guys. Oh, my goodness. I have been meaning to update you guys. I have on my phone a notepad, right? And I had on here last week updates for Spritz. All right. And then I forgot once again. So someone asked me about something regarding them today. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go and do my full update on everything that I've received from them, I guess, in the last week. All right, guys. So for those of you out here in the crypto space, the DeFi space that's already operating, utilizing crypto, right? Sending crypto, buying crypto, doing all the things you do to purchase your crypto, etc., right? This is a pretty cool little tool we've got here. I've been talking about it, maybe a month or two or so to you guys about it, and I've left it in my description, okay? And it's also on Coffee and Coins. If you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, you can get signed up, and that's what you want to do. So I've been loving this thing. Now they have the app. We'll talk about that, but I love it because I have my iPhone, and for those of you with a Droid, you can do the same thing, but I attach it to my Apple Pay, okay? It is so dope, okay? We'll talk about it in a second. But anyway, got excited. So you've got to get this, okay? It doesn't cost you anything to get it. Now they have an app. They didn't have the app before. We're just utilizing it online and then funding our virtual card with the crypto. So let's go over this a little bit. Meet your ultimate crypto payment solution. Okay, this is cool. Been using it. Love it, love it, love it. We empower you to use your crypto anywhere in the real world. We're here to provide you with refreshingly easy access to the power of decentralized finance, giving you the freedom to use your crypto on your own terms. With our innovative solutions, you can experience a new way to unlock the full potential of your digital assets. Join us today and start using your crypto the way it was meant to be used. See how Spritz is refreshing finance. We offer crypto payment solutions to fit your lifestyle. Send your crypto to your bank. That's an option. Off-ramp any asset directly to your wallet. Take care of yourself. You can pay your bills, guys, because basically you're going to fund your account with your crypto, and they will handle the rest, and you just use it like you would on any debit card. Okay, awesome. So you can pay your bills, choose from thousands of providers and pay directly, load a Spritz card, send crypto at millions of merchants worldwide, spend anywhere. You know, like I said, I use it for everything that I would normally do for a debit card. Gas, groceries, Dunkin' Donuts, whatever. Peace of mind, secure payments. Keep your crypto in your hands. Pay anyone. Pay your rent, pay your bills, pay your friends, pay your parents. Get your time back. Automated payments. Set it and forget it with automated crypto bill payments. You can set your bills up, is what they're saying. You can link your bills, say your utility bill, add your account number in there, and you can just have it set up for recurring payments to come out. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. All right, so what the Spritz community is saying. So they've got lots of testimonies on Trustpilot in reference to Spritz, a lot of reviews. See how we stack up against exchanges. Now this is good because you know we're already dealing in this space, so you know what is given, right? You know we have these fees, these gas fees, right? So let's take a look. Spritz offers faster and easier payments that let you stay in control of your crypto. So by using Spritz, they compare here. This is what they're saying. Do it yourself or use Spritz. Custody of funds. Keep your crypto in your wallet. Okay. Or rely on the exchange to off-ramp. We know how those exchanges can be, guys. Fees. Your first $100 is free every month. Over here. Or spend each time you swap, bridge, and off-ramp. Okay, we know how those exchanges can be, like Changely, Simple, or even more so, not even them, more so, what's the name of the company? What is the name of that? It's Coinbase, any of those guys, right? Okay. Whew. All right. Don't use them, so I forget all about them, but you know who I'm talking about. So ease of use, make payments in one click, or risk losing funds over small errors. Access to assets. Using Spritz, spend any asset across 8 blockchains, or exchanges are limited to a select number of assets. With Spritz, your time is spent, you're saving time, and you're getting it done all in one place. Or you're spending hours transferring, swapping, and bridging. Facts. Okay, with Spritz, number of steps. You just set up your payment, confirm it, then go. Or the other options are lots of steps, lots of room for errors. Okay. And they've got some newsworthy, looks like some articles, it seems, that they've been in. Crypto Slate, The Daily, HODL, Circle, Crypto Briefing. So different places they have articles. Now, let's get started. We're helping thousands of crypto users make payments anywhere in the real world directly from their self-custody wallets. Spritz is simple and easy to use. I concur that. Sign up, pick what kind of transactions you want to make, set your payments in seconds. Spritz, by the way, is only in the U.S. right now, guys. U.S. residents. If you're based elsewhere, please let us know your country, and they'll vote on it. It looks like this will help us prioritize where we launch next. So make sure you put your email in there and do that. All right. So let's see what they've got here. So that's the blogs. Let's look at the site. Then I'm going to look at the some of these updates they sent out. Get set up in a splash. Cheers to support. Okay. All right, so let's do this. Let's go over to, let me get this here. Let's check out these new updates, shall we? Let's talk about it. Okay, let's start with this one they sent on the 26th. Okay, download the Spritz app in Canada. Download the Spritz app, the Spritz mobile app in Canada. We're excited to announce that the Spritz mobile app is now available in Canada. Plus, we're launching a $1 million mobile giveaway to celebrate this week only. Get credit for any Spritz fees you may pay on your next $1,000 when you send a transaction on a Spritz mobile app. As a token of our appreciation for your support, we're giving back $20,000 in transaction fees directly to you. Here's how to participate and enjoy up to $1,000 in fee-free transactions to the end of September. Download the Spritz app through the link below. Make transactions with Spritz and your fees will be credited back to your account the first week of October. Say goodbye to fees and hello to savings. The $1 million mobile giveaway is open to all Spritz users globally, and you can participate if you already have the app. Start transacting on Spritz today to get a credit in your account next week. There isn't anything you need to do to register for the giveaway. This one's on us. All right, guys. So right here, they said download the app on iOS or download the app on your Android. I've already done that as well. All right, so that's one update they sent. Now let's take a look here. Hang on. Now here's the latest one they just sent before I came on. New referral rewards plus 2-day $1 million mobile app giveaway. Unveiling the revamped referral program and continuing our exclusive mobile giveaway. All right, so Hello Spritz is more than a financial platform. It's a thriving community of innovators and crypto enthusiasts, and our mission to always offer unparalleled value to our community. We've got 2 exciting updates. Enhanced referral rewards. We've revamped our referral rewards to provide greater benefits to both referrers and referees. All right, discover the tourist tier, tailored from crypto for crypto beginners. Referees, first 30 days, volume requirement, transaction, looks like it's greater than $100. For the referrer, earn $25 cash back after their first 30 days if your referee completes transactions over $100 on Spritz. For the referee, gets $25 cash back at the end of your first 30 days. Okay, introducing the local tier designed for crypto natives. Referees, the first 30 days, volume requirement, completes transactions worth $2,000. For the referee, bag of $40 cash back after your referee meets the volume requirement within their first 30 days. For the referee, reap a $40 cash back at the end of your first 30 days after hitting the transaction volume milestone. All right, next one is experience the VIP tier. For the true crypto legends, I like that. Referees, first 30 days, volume requirement, achieve 20,000 in transactions. For the referee, amplify your income with a 25% commission on your referee's fees after they hit the transaction volume and their first 30 days are up. For the referee, unlock a grand 25% fee revenue share upon meeting the requirement and completing our first 30 days on the platform. Spritz Referral Club. Continual referrals lead to even grander perks. Climb up our elite clubs and receive monthly bonuses based on your cumulative efforts. Learn more about the elite community in our blog posts. All right, $1 million mobile giveaway. With the recent launch of our mobile app and our grand entry into Canada, we're celebrating in a big way. Enjoy fee-free transactions for the next 3 days on our new mobile app. Here's how you can partake. Download the Spritz app, jump into seamless transactions, make any transaction on the Spritz app, and we'll cover the fees for up to $1,000 transaction volume per user. That's a total of $20,000 in transaction fee returns. Come the first week of October, the fees will be credited right back to your Spritz account. Rest assured, this is open for all Spritz users globally. Dive in worry-free, and we've taken care of the details. All right, click our Help Center article for more details. So you can download the app on iOS or Android. All right, guys. Gotta love it, guys. Gotta love it. So online, this is how it looks. This is your virtual card here. I'm not going to click this because it reveals the numbers. And then when you click it, it will flip the card around and you can see all your numbers, your code on the back, your expiration, everything is there. But check this out over here. Okay, here are the currencies. Okay, that's what they were talking about. We have Ethereum, Polygon, BNB chain, Optimism, Arbitrum 1, Avalanche, C Chain, Bitcoin, Dash, and Tron, right? It's pretty cool, guys. Let me tell you. Very simple. Now, you can click here. See, I've got it on the bank card, but you can click bank transfer. You can transfer to your bank. Click here. You can pay bills. You can put your account numbers in there for your different bills you may have, whether it's utility, your car, house, rent, whatever. Put the account numbers in there. Mobile phone, right? And then you can just pay with your card. Okay, you can do recurring. This is awesome. Let me tell you, set up your free account. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info and get your account today. All right, see, it says right here, did you know you can load your Spritz card into your Apple Wallet or your Google Wallet for financial freedom on the move? It can be used anywhere in the world that Visa is accepted, guys. I've been using this. I'm telling you, this is awesome. All right, so let me show you how simple it is. All right, so I added a little something on here, but let me show you. Check it out. All you have to do when you come down, all right, it's going to be the same on the app, but I'm showing you here. You click here. It says Fund with Crypto. You click here and check it out. It goes here. It says Fund your Spritz card. So what do you see? It says right here, you click this drop down box, arrow, and I selected USD. I can select USDT here or USDC. You click it here and put your amount in. How much do you want to send over from your crypto wallet? That's what they're saying, right? So if you wanted to send, let's just say you wanted to send that 100, right? See, it tells you right here, it says here's your new balance, all right, because I already had that in there. But if you come here and you click, watch this, it's going to tell you the amount too. Watch this, pay with, so I click there. And it's fast. Boom, it comes up and it says, here's your QR code. Here's the amount, $101.95. So they added, what, $1.95 or something to it, right? Okay, and you send the crypto right over. And while you on this screen, it will, let's see, did it come here? Oh, let's put it in here so I can show you. While you're on the screen, I always leave it up, and then it will, once it hits the Spritz card, it will state across here, congratulations, your funds has been transferred. Now, so let's take a look. If we put that 100 in there, look, it gives me the Spritz fee, a whole $1.95. Is that awesome or what? All right, awesome stuff here. Check this thing out. All right, so definitely go check it out. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Get your Spritz virtual card, guys. All right, this is a great tool to have in your arsenal. All right, so let's shout out to Spritz. They've come a long way. All right, shout out to Spritz. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Check out my crypto projects at that site as well, www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to educate you guys and let you know what's out here, okay? And show you what I'm doing with my crypto, okay? It's on you to do your own research, utilize the information I provide, check it all out, take your precautions, and make sure you only using risk capital when you get into any of these platforms, because we're dealing with crypto. Is very risky business out here. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.